Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. Today is the start of a brand new month. August 1st is here, and this right here is the first Pepe update for the month. And let's hope that this month does bring in a lot of excitement for Pepe. So if we're looking at the price right now, it's currently sitting at 125. It's up about 2% in the last 24 hours in all three comparatives, which is a great thing that we will definitely take because we are aware that over the past few days now, we have been seeing a continuation of downside in Pepe. Looking at its market cap, $523.6 million, so still above that $500 million mark, and the 24-hour trading volume is approaching that $100 million. So if we're looking at the overall markets, you guys can see some altcoins up quite a bit, up double digits, quite exciting. And, Bitcoin has done something very interesting, which we were discussing over the past few days, but you can see this for yourself. Pepe is up about 2.2%, which we will definitely take. And the holder count, if we're looking at it, currently sitting at almost around the same as to what it was yesterday, currently sitting, to be exact, at 135,246 holders, at the start of August 1st, which is really good to see. But now let's take a look at the price, see what is happening right now in the immediate short term. We're seeing Bitcoin making a move. Could we potentially see Bitcoin reclaim above that 30K mark for the first time since July 24th? That would be a great thing to see because it's a brand new month. Maybe we will see some whales push the price of Bitcoin back up to those levels. We will definitely see. And obviously that does mean that we could be potentially seeing a move for Pepe happening. Remember what I've discussed about the correlation? We are seeing the dominance starting to increase right now. Obviously, we did see a low of about, 49.4% as far as, the dominance goes. But we're seeing a little bit of an uptick in the dominance because obviously Bitcoin is making a move right now. So we will see how things go. But now let's take a look at the price of Pepe. Before I get into the price of Pepe, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So let's take a look at it. So exactly what we spoke about yesterday. You guys can see the marks that I had placed from yesterday are still there. Now we're seeing those same exact levels that I discussed do play out as the level of support that we were discussing. So let me show you guys exactly what I mean. So if we see the price of Pepe, we did lose that support, which was obviously on the July 26th mark. We did make our way all the way down to this 1200 mark, and look at that. 1200 mark was a massive level of support, and I discussed if we did not get supported by there, if we did not see a little bit of a bounce, we will see lower prices. So I'm really impressed to see that that support line did play out as a level of support, and we did see a bounce for the price of Pepe. To be exact, we have seen the price go up about 3.8%, so nothing really crazy right now, but obviously it is step-by-step process. But we do need to see that the support line did play out for us as a nice level of support, which we should not be ignoring right now, as mentioned to you earlier, because supports like that are very critical. If those supports don't hold and the price just completely goes down, that shows that the weakness is there. So I will definitely take this as a move. But now comes the question, where could we see the price of Pepe? Where would I like to see the price of Pepe? Like I said, a brand new month, as you know, and hopefully we do see some excitement because still from the lows of June 15th, if you guys still measure it from that range, Pepe is still up 51.3%. So these are some things that we need to consider. But now what you're seeing is obviously after that bounce, we're seeing that previous level play as a level of resistance. Of course, you can see this for yourself. We have quite a bit of resistance around that range, but I'm not too worried. I think Pepe will see something like this occur, without a problem. We will see something, like this occur, especially back to that level of resistance, I'm very confident that we could see something like this happen. That's a move of about 21%, as long as Bitcoin goes above 30K and starts maybe even retesting its new yearly highs. If that were to happen, I'm very confident that, Pepe will make a move like this, because we've seen the correlation that Bitcoin and Pepe has. Because at the end of the day, right now, it's no longer considered a small cap coin, because small cap coins, usually the ones that are not listed on centralized exchanges, they don't have much of a correlation. It all depends on the community hype factor, that's obviously has so much more risk involved to it. But Pepe, on the other hand, it is considered not a small cap altcoin, especially once you see a coin enter back into the 100s, or for the first time ever. It's not considered a small cap, it's considered a mid cap altcoin, especially if you're within that 20 to 80 range. It's considered a mid cap. So that's where Pepe currently sits at. But those are some factors we need to keep in mind. And obviously, the correlation. Look what happened last time when Bitcoin saw a massive breakout. We saw Pepe make a massive move. To be exact, we saw Pepe pump up about 123%. The holder count is continuing to increase. The demand is still there, interest level is still there. But at the end of the day, it comes down to obviously how Bitcoin performs. I'm very confident that the Pepe will make those moves. We will see it reclaim above that $1 billion mark once again. But with that said, it does require patience. It's not going to happen overnight. There will be some people that will lose. There will be some people that win. But we, as Crypto ZX supporters, or viewers, that's what I should be saying, the Crypto ZX viewers, we want to be on the winner side, because remember, there's always some person that is going to lose, and there's always some person that's going to win. And that's how the market works. It's not only going to be winners. If everyone was going to be winners, it's too good to be true. And guess what? We're all going to be, extremely rich. That's not how things work. Pepe did have that initial massive move. Some people caught that early on when it was only $1 million market cap, and made thousands of dollars, if not millions. But that does not mean that's going to happen for everyone. Now it's at a state where it's going to consolidate. It's going to have those boring times, but that does not mean it can't be one of the top performers still in this upcoming cycle that we're currently in, and obviously beginning to get into, especially in altcoin season. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. Nonetheless, this bounce that we're seeing, exactly what I would love to see. But main focus right now for everyone should be Bitcoin. Let's hope Bitcoin sees a little bit of a high price, maybe set a monthly high, because right now our monthly high would be $29,343. If we're able to reclaim above 30,200, I think things can start looking really exciting as far as Pepe is concerned. But let me know down below what you guys think. Are you guys accumulating Pepe? Are you guys just holding your Pepe? Which other coins do you have in your portfolios? What is your exit strategy? Let me know in the comment section. I love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.